Liu, and I'm currently an eighth grader from Sierra Vista Middle School. In this video, you will be learning about the competition tips and tricks. So before each tournament you go to, make sure to check your car's construction parameters that is listed or written on the rules. So according to the rules, III states that the vehicle must fit entirely within a closed box with the dimensions of 30 centimeters by 15 centimeters by 10 centimeters. The box right here is an example that can be used. It could be any kind of box as long as it stays within the dimensions. It can be smaller. Boxes like cardboard, plastic, any kind of box works. And these dimensions are listed here with millimeters, centimeters, and inches. And a kind of glue that is recommended is super glue. And when you're using super glue, make sure to have a parent or an adult to help you when using it because if it spills, then you can't really clean up the glue because it just stays there. And you can also use hot glue guns, but just be careful because you can burn yourself with it and it's hot. And another useful material to use with super glue is accelerator. You can find this on Amazon, Walmart, Home Depot, and it's recommended if super glue is applied because it helps glue dry faster and makes the glue hold stronger. Unfortunately, the rules doesn't state that tape can be used, so try not to use tape on your car. And you are allowed to use glue, but try to keep the glue minimal, meaning that try to use as less glue as you can. And these two images of an accelerator right here and the super glue right here is recommended because that's the type that like I use when for my events and um for the accelerator when you're trying to apply it, make sure to not really like spray the accelerator onto the glue. Tr for me, I usually just unscrew the cap and just dip the accelerator onto the glue, or just use something like a zip tie, I don't know, a chopstick, any of that can work. And same for the super glue. Instead of squeezing it on, I usually just grab a zip tie and just dip it in and dip the glue onto the part that needs glue. So each team will have 8 minutes to prepare everything. So make sure to like just take your time, don't rush. It's not a lot of like, don't think of it as like too much. No pressure needed because 8 minutes is plenty of time for like a few runs.